A full material declaration is a declaration that lists all of the materials and substances present in a declared product, component, or material, right? So whatever you're producing, you're declaring all the materials and substance present in that. The full material declaration, when it's issued in support of electronic components, for the purpose of environmental compliance, should have some certain elements included. One is that it should declare the mass of the declared item. So it should disclose how much this item I'm declaring weighs. And then it should also disclose the materials that are present in the declared item, along with either the mass or the concentration of those materials. Additionally, within each one of those materials, the declaration should disclose all the substances present in each material with the mass or concentration of the substance itself. And we can include trade secret substances in this declaration. I'll talk a little bit more about how that works later, right? So to summarize, the full material declaration basically is just declaring how much the item weighs, how much all the materials in there weigh and what those are, and how much all the substances weigh and what those substances are, right? So once we have this, we have a full accounting of all the substances and materials in the product that we're producing. Now, a lot of times, because these declarations are used for the purpose of validating the product to environmental compliance regulations such as EU RoHS or EU REACH or Prop 65, these material declarations a lot of times will contain additional information like the compliance status, EU RoHS compliant, REACH SVHC 224 compliance, etc. And then it will also provide, information maybe on claimed exemptions. I claim RoHS exemption 7A or 7C1. And then also manufacturing specifications might be included, especially if it's a component that's soldered onto a circuit board. Information like how many reflows, what the maximum reflow temperature is when you're actually soldering those things to the PCB. And then also it'll include things like illegal disclaimers possibly. And process chemicals can sometimes be disclosed as well. Those are chemicals that are not in the product, but they were used to make the product. So there's a lot of additional information that can be added or included to a full material declaration. But a true full material declaration, by definition, is just a declaration of all the materials and substances in the product.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.